Hey guys, today I want to do a quick video and demonstrate the handoff feature on iOS and Mac devices. First, let's go to our MacBook and we'll go to Safari. Let's just open up Apple. And if you'll notice over here, my icon changed to a Safari icon with a little computer in the corner. Now if we touch that, it's going to pull the Apple website to my tablet. Now if we go to the Google tab and close this tab here, you'll see I have a Safari icon here with a iPad icon. We click that and it's going to pull Google over to here. Pretty great feature, and it works with other applications. Let's go ahead and go to the Notes app. Notes. And you'll see right here immediately Notes is popping up. And there it is. It's really that easy. They just have to be on the same Wi-Fi network and have to be on the same account. There you go.